Hi everyone, it's good to see you again, and I'm back today with another video for you. Yeah, I finally got a PINCHme box. So cute. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing in here is from SheaMoisture, and it is the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. And it's for blemish prone skin, which is perfect because my skin is breaking out like crazy along my jawline. I hate that. It's that type of acne that hurts. So I have a little bit of a cold right now. The next thing is from Sugru, and it's Mouldable glue, and it's in the color red, it looks like. So I'm anxious to try this because I have I have a mug that broke the handle. So, oh, it's in black, sorry. Just because I saw the red there. I thought it might be red. Which is like more neutral and can use it for more things, I guess, with the black. So I'm interested to give that a try and see how it works. So yeah, stick it, mold it, set strong. And it works on all types of different materials. So let me give you another try. And the next thing in here, so cute, it's a little thing of deodorant. And it's from Native. The brand's called Native. And it's in lavender and rose. Has a very light scent to it, and just roll it up. So that was the last sample in here and everything in my PINCHme box. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave the link below if you want to check them out and sign up. And Happy New Year, of course, 2019. Let's go. I am excited and a little bit nervous for the first time going into a new year. Yeah, it's kind of a mix of emotions, which is odd. But I'm looking forward to just the positive and yeah, and sharing it with you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.